Okay, here is part 2 of the video. The first one got cut off, so that's okay. We're still going to pick up with what we left off with here. So a sweater is regularly $32. It is 25% off the original price this week. So I want to know, would the amount the shopper saved be considered the part, the whole, or the percent? Write this down. It is the part. And if you think about it, do you ever save the whole amount of something unless something is free? Then you'd save 100%, so you'd save the whole amount. But generally, when you're saving money, you're only saving part of the cost. So make sure you always know that the discount or the amount saved is the part. Now we're going to determine how much the shopper would save. So let's go ahead and identify the things in here that we want. So I've already highlighted that the sweater was regularly $32 and it's 25% off this week. I need you to remember that no matter what, the regular price or the original price is always, always, always going to be the whole, no matter what. So I need to come up with my percent formula here. So it's part over whole equals the percent over 100. Remember, this is equivalent ratios, but as a percent, we're just talking equivalent to a part over 100. So I need to plug in all of these different pieces. Well, the regular price is 32, and I told you regular price is the whole. So that's going to go on the bottom there. Then I have my 25%. This side is the percent. And if I write 25% as a fraction, it would be 25 over 100. All right. Now I just need to figure out what this number is. And this represents the part. It is, remember, it goes with what it's next to. And this says it's 25% off. So that's the discount, which means this is going to be the discount. Let's look for that pattern. I do not see an easy way to get from 32 to 100, but I do see an easy way to get from 100 to 25 by dividing by 4. So if I divide by 4 to get there, I'm going to divide by 4 to get here. 32 divided by 4 is 8. So now I've created my equivalent ratio. I can say that 8, it represents the amount the shopper would save by buying the sweater because it is aligned with the 25% discount. So what you're saving is the discount. So at the very bottom of yours, you're going to write a sentence. The shopper would save $8. Make sure you take a moment and copy that down. Press pause if you need to. Okay, number 4. Purchasing a TV that is 20% off will save $180. We're going to name the different parts with the words part, whole, and percent. 20% off is the percent. And I know that because I see the percent sign. So I know that that's the percent. The $180, well, if I look up here, that says I will save 100. Remember, saving is always going to be the part. And as I told you, original price is always the whole. So now we're going to determine what each of these pieces are. Let's change colors just for fun. Let's set up our formula. So it's part over whole equals percent over 100. Okay, let's plug in each one of these things. Well, 20% is the percent, so I'm going to change that to a fraction, 20 over 100. Now I need to identify the part and the whole. So this says I will save $180. We already said that that is the part, so that goes here. I don't know what the original price is because that's what the problem is asking. So that's my X, my unknown. Again, I want to look for those connections. You can see a connection from the 180 to the 20 if you wanted to go that route. Or you can take a look here. There's a connection. 20 times 5 is 100. So I can multiply 180 times 5. And when I do that, I know that I get 900. So the original price of the TV is $900. You can go ahead and write that sentence in. The original price of the TV was $900. Okay, before we move on, I'm going to give you a choice. You can choose, if you are feeling comfortable with this concept, you can choose to stop this video now and work on the rest of the problems on that sheet all the way up to number 9 on your own. Once you finish up through number 9, you must come and check with me before you can move on. If you don't want to work on your own and you need more support, there will be a third video linked to this that you can go through problems 6, 7, 8, and 9 with the video. Choose wisely.